Guys, we're almost finished this mission. This is our second to last overview. This one is going to cover mission 4, lessons 25 through 31. So in these lessons, you are going to learn to divide fractions and decimals. You're going to use tape diagrams and number lines to help you solve problems, and you're going to apply those skills to a real world context. So what does that look like? You're going to solve division problems using tape diagrams and number lines. You're going to estimate the value of a decimal divided by a decimal and then solve. And you're going to create and solve word problems that are modeled by tape diagrams or an expression. All right, guys, here we go. Let's divide 1 6/10 divided by 4/100. So we are first going to create a fraction. For this, we want this bottom number to be a whole number. And to do that, we have to multiply by 2 zeros. So that's multiplying by 100. Whatever I do to the top, I have to do, to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So when this gets multiplied out, I have 160 over 4. Now that's a lot of skip counting to do. But what I can do is cover up that 0. It takes 4 4s to get to 16. So it would take 40 4s to get to 160. And so 1 6/10 divided by 4/100 is 40. So some practicing you can do at home is skip counting by fractions and decimals. So if we want to skip count by 2/10, we're going to say 2/10, 4/10, 6/10, 8/10, and you can go all the way to 20/10. What does that look like as a decimal? 2/10, 4/10, 6/10, 8/10, 1 whole, and so on until you get to 2 wholes. You can also count by 5/10. So you would count 5/10, 10/10, 15/10, 20/10, 25/10. So where the numerator is changing for what you're counting by, but the denominator is staying the same. Practice your skip counting, guys.